McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, get my share.
Hello, Adolfo. Yes, I did share you. I was McBrown's Kitchen. Just so mammy said, a diana pay day. Ampa, a diana paddy ed. Titru, Winya Diodima diana, no yen ye dia, Udia, ed pa. Mamunim dada, kitchen papa pa. McBrown, many at say, and it's in them could as into months, a menquami jade, and I walk over. That is a tie was here. Men kwami jare na baby abefre me bia me 2 year na dey meba McBrown's Kitchen aduane paye de ene so yanya hia die na ye ba besua aduane ye ba bedidi e wom se wonni bidi e ba minim se benwie no na wasua bibi afrim wate ase McBrown's Kitchen ye me di ya me de hwese ma ye hu jade je so ma me aduane paye de me da boafo ase high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom. What you say? And no, the same kulane ya daneno. Good for you. No more ya and more your love. And then McBrown. Mi jina ye. And near mother dana kwem. A slow pesiform. Mi triwin their impact hadaroma. Mi triwin ye basada. De bia. Umuma me tirem. A good year papa. And sana ligina so. Or the makeup not to 2 years. Eyebrow no I do on quantity mitra. What you say? I will trust I me da maybe you know a channel come. Alice me da say. Nyonyo, Yami Shrao. So one mamma diana pair D was set, me crew na Yami Shrao pa. Nasha Tadiano, a siso a bosso. Yea, actually, oh yeah, dear. Dear best trend. One mamma family when Yami Shrao pa. And Sana, La Palm Royal Beach. And pa, open baby, I jojo on the I hold na me come. La Palm Royal Beach. I was here for McBrown's Kitchen. Mashisha me niema. Mami chamu se si amra. Na me fa me guest in tuja. Brim.
Today I am hosting the family. And as usual, the ones who judge everything you do will also be there. Like Uncle Nee, the school judge.
I think you should put the children in another school, okay?
Auntie Ama, the behavior judge.
You are too lenient with them.
And my sister-in-law, the fashion judge.
Sister, you cannot dress like that, oh.
Though people sometimes feel differently, you must be strong and confident in your decisions. But one thing they'll always agree on is the delicious taste of your cooking. With its rich color and thick paste, Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix is strengthened with fiber and vitamins to provide delicious and nutritious meals for the whole family. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hey, and that's supreme. Hey,
Oh, Charlie, that's still the mind.
Time. I'm a crana. Guy man, you all know his license. And it,
Charlie, Abana,
and Mayo.
guy man in the high sense boys in Abesio.
Oh, Jack, you pay that TV crack on what's not.
High sense. Everyday prices.
Oh, but you get that.
Me chamo na boy.
Madam Hisense, the house where
Me come. Listen me see dede na me see me mumra.
I hear Hisense TV na me beto wo ho no. And na ma yesi abonten, and na ma je kakra wo ho. And na crystal clear obi atwa nani so. It is a TV na ni da ho nti, me yisi ho a na tikopo ni nyina na ni kitchen stew. It is a tikopo, hwe bo wo so a, se sia na control.
I was for when a TV am open. When you say high sense and one ma 5 years warranty. And when you say high sense, you my papa na your boss so that form. And then that year, a 18 May, I confirm 19 July. High sense TV size BR, sound system BR, mobile phone BR, Madam High sense, my tete suto. Oh, I feel with you. MiPROMO showroom.
Yeah, Madam Hisense, what be said you make.
High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
yɛka yɛn sabo mu a ɛno na ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛyɛ baako ɛno na ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛgyina hɔ yɛgye tum yɛka bom yɛ baako ɛfiri sɛ yɛn saka bom a yɛn akoma nso aka bom na sɛ yakoma bobo mu a nyama intumi nyeye tumi yeye Awake purified drinking water bottle baako biara a wobeto no yɛde sika no bi boa National Cardio Center a ɛwɔ Kolebu Kasapreko Company Limited insano adwuma pa baako ni Awake purified drinking water, one for life.
Delay sardine, peche like that.
Me mama kwaba eba McBrown's kitchen. And ne ye barbecue stew beer. Ye can't de supplement na be on pa. Enche me guess ne better na diacho. But I'm sana no and ne cratchy and na me papa. Me to me come papa because me na twempna pen. Enye mpna said ye munim no efo adwen ko eye TV so mpna ani so wo hwe me boys sam no mu adi agro na me no ma twempna TV so say Jako Lewin Bela Samoa Van Vika Majid ba ma bi oni madwuma na sini adwuma ye papa bia me na twempna pen ba sa papa we die me hye me senior say adwuma ya say from 2001 na ma me hye ase no wono nam ne twempna first Oye tuntumche obia wo Ghana ha so. Me pa chaw wodi mu pa wo sini adwuma me yebu no ye fere no. Wo tua ni due so pempem eno na anyina ye nyina ya beso bia die. Ye mfa ni jenhia my one and only first ever boyfriend Mr. Fred Amugi. Yeah! Oh yes. Yes, forever young. Once a man would be back on Menka. You would be a friend saying
Condom.
CONDOM. Condom. The first film. My boyfriend a deal to me showing me and the man. Oh, for a girlfriend as a condom. Oh. Now what is that for? Oh, Mr. Fred. Still what fair? What is the secret?
Oh.
What is the secret? Because
I said you are home here.
Yeah.
A journey now. Want to tell me
oh, Debbie, Uncle Fred.
Yes.
From 2001, me senior to Sinifufro, first ever from me that day. Wona me fase me de me pair wo. Said they would so me mu a woman me 19 team here because me who starts na ni as ye shaky. But said your man me feel at ease we shame in crime me do I still sign out here. Not do Maria Kwampa. Yamin Shroud.
Amen.
And wife or ex-wife, ex-girlfriend. My bow fear. Dance man. And dance man wanting soon ye Ghana for. My boyfriend so baba the popo pa momedi. Boyfriend. But your young way and sans. Named Jan who says here now. Aduane na ba ben minim se wodo nsa bekeka nema pii me so me de nsa bekeka nema ni pii nti no say oh sorry ye wo na ye mpepa ne kama na fe be kire me aduane a wo ba be ya mamadi ye nhwe ye ingredient a ye de be okro stew and rice
yo akoye okro stew nti no first ingredient okro nkruma we ye no free ma Ukrapines Ntorowa. Nyadwa. Nyadwa. Paposhito.
Bra papo. Oya pop.
Tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes.
And sana Jane bi wa ha.
Jane. any green pepper.
Meko green na bi no. Yo.
After ginger, ginger gram friends.
Akekedru.
Kakra, any garlic. Green pepper, no.
Pepper way na. Bell pepper, no.
Debbie.
Meko green, yeah, okay.
To say you treat, and I say,
blended that. And son and chine. Okay. Chine, so there. Send a whole pen on. And now, I'm for being cry. Oh, yeah, sort of free. Okay. Now, I feel near Banam, so.
And Namno. Saffro. Any salmon. Salmon, or your mummy, no. Bako, kakra. Cranibe can say a geosa. Bako, so dear. Normal. Okay. Normal one ni
unim samo munyi
na sa and I feel the
amane
dried one no nkete no wompo ni susu kakra
na ka open
and I feel the uye no a enwa
Uncle Fred ye hwe wo nwa ya wo kan asa wano akakra
sanetini me de ankatwe de ehohoro nse na be ya
chocho no
ebeti
okay
na beef na nkasa na ayese nchine wo mti no
salted beef ni bi no
manuano twice and I'm praying no ba concern be ya nchine no ebe free ho second time no so na be ya senate no nchine na be ka se nchine no wo be guma se wo hwe yi
ampa
because we didn't hook jimu a na eduan na say na ne afi de kawuro wele
ansa na mentwina mankasa but no wo se wano awade dada emre nti no wo ye wade se mpacho pese ehun se wo de den estefa na me hunu ai
na me sra me ba entrowano obi wo wa be pese otwitwa nsene obetwitwa nkrumano so me de ndem manoa meyi amano na me de aka mekonu ho a blend
okay
sene be ya ensei
okay
ana say yentum
enti wonu ano se utwitwa mu mienu ana se
utwitwa mu mienu meyi ehon no
wayi ho no ene abano anyam
enti bibia ye ready a se ne etie no sa na me de begum
okay wo de ne untwitwa na nketwa all right
na no ubi sa bebi
na mbisa se den na ode no a wo na ntwinam yi dada se de be ya obi yo fi obenya o taste ni mi di wi a
nsio ya
okay nsio
na mde
ene bibi akakadura na bibi ka ho ade ye ya na
enu ti na wo akakaduro wo ni manum no
okay
mi bibi ay ready mi twitwa mi nkruma no na me de esijaso kakra
okay
bibi a fe de me de anwa egu chance mo si ho
okay
na eye kakra mi akika no ye ko ni na
ye di gugu kakra sa no so wo fi a utimi no awe no na se she freezer o ba ya wi wa dia akika we bo ma wo na wo ko
nte du ba bia mesrawo mafro na wo de emu nesi so ama
mate me ye ne sa ama yeso ye amcom right cooker and your pressure cooker anti
nkruma no obi wo be pese otwitwa ne se na ete na se chopping no easy but me twa no na me twa to no me twa ne tintin mu
okay papem
sene ya se emu ama no edosun dodo a me yi bi efrim se me hwe na yenso de a ene afede me twitwa
na fede wa pai mu 4 no na shooting go
sa
twitwa se sa na be ne dia me ye bi aboa
that's it
na contem because you see ti kron ko adina what you say emi no kwei akoni asa na ede
na me no sudua emia
what is it
me no sudua
emia we so ha na we as emia yo Nti no, ebusuafo ye twitwa yen okro no. Uncle Fred achire bi because so pay mu ahwem saba ne nọọsụ a.
Se edoso na o pese na ha.
Ba se edoso ma odi a yi bi free. Sa na tie. Mfa de mu ha. Enyina ye sua dua na ye. Ti se waduane. Obi pese oye bi wo fi a. Onto ni din san. Because o special
normal amount for the engu na ye.
Okay.
But this time na yanwa.
Yanwa na.
That's the only difference.
Good. And Uncle Fred special. And you go so aye. No. Wow. Uncle Fred you try nkuma ye.
Yeah, twitwa wi.
Yeah, twitwa wi. Yo. Nala. Wow. Last one to go.
Last but one.
Hey. Then I will check me saying. Condom. Wow. Uncle Fred, now we didn't know say me ye Fred Amugi no a. Efri hen. Wo so we kwapem ni.
Me papa typical crab boy. Na me mama na ne papa fi ekropon.
Oh, okay.
Me mama no, ne papa fi ekropon na ne mama fi tashi.
Oh, okay.
Let's say me mama akoye
ekropon. Okay. Nti wo ye ga ekwapem ga.
Ekwapem ga. Eno na wo kan na ede. Ekwapem ga.
Baby, wo mama kakra wo ga nti ga ekwapem ga. Wow, you wie. Mami ni we free.
Thank you.
Nti etwetwa nkuma wie ye ben den.
Ye chance na li bebu no wo.
Ye ben nkuma ni wo mu no. Okay. Ye ben no wo we mu. Tisa me so mawa.
We didn't see ka egu.
Okay. We didn't see over. Nti ebusuafo nkuma no di kai akogya so. Nkuma no kogya so a Uncle Fred said dia ka bi aiwe. Hwegum. Nya dia na wo gina ho a.
Nya sese ya blend.
Yes. Uncle Fred ensure ni. Pacho mi ensure ni kakra bi gumtino.
Kakra bi.
Wa oba. Enya no afafofo. Bu ha amania. Eye.
Fa kakra bi.
Wa wo jigum na esa be kase. Abro so ade be shame. Nti Uncle Fred say enkuma na kogya so. Next step.
Mama chance ya de be your friend ankasa.
Okay. Ene de me mini upa oduane me.
Yeah, me. Yep.
Maso. Okay.
Amara be kogya so.
All right. Mwana be kogya so ho. Nti no ye de nice. Egu ye saucepan ni mo. Mami we free her. Macho for mommy. Yes. And Uncle Fred said depending on when near man do and one other.
Sir.
Definitely because advice said ubedi
sir.
Nti ubedi so anu edi papa no. Nice. Yendum na minum no.
Mpacho han.
Minum no kra. Na say who fast so na wadum no.
Sir.
Oh, okay.
One yen sir ho badju too much.
All right. Nti no.
So we are.
Maso ama pa, maso ne life.
No mami.
Nti say de utwitwa ujene.
No.
Ama na kwa anwani mu. Okay.
Eno mepe no say enwum akese. Unse no ankasa no for health sake crown.
Mami ni we ne twa no board no.
Okay.
Nti we twitwa jene na kese.
Zumidi gumi mi mane men. What you say?
Yeah. Listen, o pese ebe be no na wo sentimi bubom nkakra.
Sir.
Ese gusias. who say yes, who did he?
I don't know about Chile, say, one. I actually too much, and I say, Etienne.
Okay. Okay. What they chisel.
Sir.
I'm never say, she. And she say, dear young way, gummy. Yeah, debut.
Me. More friends, spices, my boy.
Eh, ginger near pepper, no.
Maybe a bit cool now. Minimum cacransa.
And sending Kumanaba.
Mekono.
Okay. Mekoni koka and one home.
Sir.
And one home.
Any
Jane no. All right. Okay. And sana garlic. That's what ba. All right. Nebusiafo and royal feast no. High says the pressure cooker and no moon I ever know a life and carrot. What you say? Into 1 kilo. You mean no pan there. Uncle Fred. Ebi enu pa na nkola ofie. Nkola ofie. Ne kura no no ani nyina. Nkola ofie ho. Ene ye no ani nyina. Yo. Enu an say wo de agu. O pressure cooker ni. Na wageji said ye beka no. Yes. Ugeji a. Uncle Fred we dey asaid wa ma mpayola no. Said na wo kan won chine asem nti no. Me mpese meto menchine na meka se me de nchine gumti wa sen na ope no.
Oh.
Na mo no. Ope se ye de anwa kakra begu ani ama na se ope no.
Dabi.
Wonfo de no mfa anwa ani.
Dabi.
Okay.
Ade anwa frɛ ne ye ba bedi.
Nti enwu nya so be de anwa no asa egu ha. Yesu Mr. Mensa te ase da.
Nkruma no beko.
Nkruma ni bekom. Sa.
Ai.
Oh, Tobo na me witness it, Tobo na me witness ya. And one way to their simple use. And one so when me cook rice. Also a form her. Also what dear pet. Cook rice and start. Any a crumb. A bet any na be.
So, ti baby edro no. Afede nkuma no.
Me pa chom pese ehun wo method ni ye. Ebusuafo ye de ye oil go mu no. Ye de onion ne cheso. And ye de papo shito na ya blend no. Any ginger ne garlic egum. We mu nyina anya nkomo but nkrume ekom. Sa na tie. Tinkruma ni kom. Good. Beme na papa fama mi. Said mama as a stew no mama mani abre ho. Ai.
Badoje.
Mani abre ho pa. O method ni different.
Tomatoes no.
Yeah.
We track it to aba kwa keke.
Adentra.
Ano na me beken. Sene be ya nkruma no the
empty. Ebe nkruma nti no. Se wo yusu into so a susufa pakakrebi. No ano. We twetwam bio. Wow. Uncle Fred on sane se kan F die. On sane se kan F pa. Kakrebi nti we nko bi o.
Ebeko. Se entos ba kompe. E de a opes o tenenka wo munti no.
Sa. Ba kope.
Asa o tenenka.
O sa o tenenka mpa. With you. Uncle Fred. Uncle Fred.
O den che bi obetim pampa.
Oh, condom mate da. Mate. Hey. Wow. This is equipim okro.
Towards this south.
Sir. Into Uncle Fred. Say we unyan view wa.
We say here.
Unyan view. And you go coffee fridge.
Yeah.
Uncle Fred, me serve you drink be. No fruit juice or fridge. Me wo
himisa.
Oh, dia yema wo no.
Nso de me mpɛ na ajo.
Fresh juice. Fresh.
Oh, nyame nhyira.
Yes.
So what the water hose kura tue mu. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mbema
Nyadoa no akom. Okay. Na nyadoa no uka say wayiyi mu aba. Oyiyi mu aba na wa pili ho no so. Nti no ne saa no de tum. Wow. Yempiangum.
Nyina wo.
Obeyi bi
edos.
Okay. Hey, chef. Chef, where are you? Wow. Chef Amugi. Uncle Fred. Yes, too much. On Sakura, what they intro one to say, wouldn't him be a woe baby? Sir, wouldn't him so bet to me? I yentin out from my brown kitchen say, Yamrano. Yemi Abano. Wow. Hey, it's way and say, Diaka Bayam Quenchna. Me drew fear. Yeah. Inti de me gidi na say de nti a wan no nkruma no de ne wonim say be sa bet so wa
sir.
Yeah. Wow. Ediane no tusha. Se mo hwe ni kura wo say ampa. On friend ma menyi we ni film mu na camera na nchi ni ye mami. Mati. Say Ghana for who say wa won sa no ne sija no so no.
Fa me tini ma me na me fan.
Me fa ne tini kat small.
Nancy super grandson me de.
Whoa.
Fish no ne.
Dia ka na go.
No be kwa ko load no.
Na ko Fred me so.
Bisa.
Se. Sini adwuma no ho ne sen.
Manama.
Ya adwuma ya ye.
Any other job? The woman na peja no ho woman na
abre ni tras kakra na me komode ebi mu kakra na komode yan oh adwuma ya na yesa because Uncle Fred so we sini adwuma ti na da bia yesu say nke benya support free aban ho no hwe nipa employ o mu organ
minya ho kwan ene Prince Boateng was there. Film directors.
Yeah. Mr.
Minya ho kwa meni nyina ko president of
Mr.
Boateng. Ama ne course no chere say odman odi
nkunimdie wa animu.
Odi ni ba ko ehwe area ho pa.
Ebe boa pa
ko. Ti odi bibia hye mame no hwe tourism ministry no so say
honorable Katrina Feku
say onya problem bia she should not hesitate omra na ye nti
ebekoye
ni say
ebekoye
ni ma bekoye
ebenyame ase ebo mpa ye saa na nyina ye hwehwe wow say drew snails no so ai enwa no famen ma wa drew enwa no so enwa no na ekom still yi ba ya de wo
one dem ni na egu
na we ye say enwa no hu nsuo ne
ebe hwe bi
egu mo ho na salted beef na bi bebam
by all means say na di gun ya no ne fe no
kai Uncle Fred, when it yache, when it's in encourage ejare pipe ano, when it yache.
Condom.
Oh. He did the almost one Makayo. Mr. Yameche. Okay, wake up.
Make up.
Oh.
Yeah, bro. Nipa yebi.
Diana Hotel, Stadium, Diana Hotel. Miracle Films.
That's all. Diana.
Ewo ho de bat. Ewo ho. Diana so. Aji nyina ne ebeje fe no. Beji aman. Obi a wo se wa break ma sisi ni yemu, sini twemu adwuma yi mu no. Wada Diana pe.
One time me bi ba Kumasi a Yes, you be say.
Marco, go back one wire and son of the chef. I say.
Yes, you be say. Fred Amugi say. Chief from Paddy and you see me.
Oh, Nakai.
And I'm say. No more than the cheese in the year for you. You started to me a chief.
No more way. Mo maybe some McBrown.
No more, eh? Na mia me twa me ho akogya baby akoka say chief film enye
one catch you yeah Uncle Fred
yeah
o mo na tiapo egu super
sa so na frɛ no etiapo no answer me de wele no
na o ka hwe no we na ho hia bi o me fɛ
tobo me nka na o de tobo ne me bo ala last minute
na eba say afa na bra akwapo
mi only me de no be guma keke se ne be ya obi di na ofiri se mekona ngum no so a onu ankasa
abe posagum okay
so then
bo na papo ke obe suban bo aba posabo ananya sa
no
aba posabo no sheshe e posamo asheshe o agbena
so na de gum
na time benna when na hia me on pa me de akofi stock no
na de na me kan de na o paprewa no
refi no
na o ye hwan sa
o ma me ana
o mama
let me ka go
we o da be anya shi
o ba yam sa akolo ye hwan o ba tumi nsam fi
after the
hey and na dia me se me pe aduane dem me person manya me hia because me ni bida na de so kakra na atomesem
emfa ye wele no engu mafe
wele kakra bi kombi ho
Uncle Bear ye bidia obia wo bibia
obetumi anya free
baby anka ye de kotokra
ebe ka ho
nanso me in particular no me the allergic
to koto hey awa window pansa ne ato ne nam asem na bentra
ene
ye beef no
say your friend adane enam kwa
but ebi wa won pa betumi ye free asa ye de ye num na ye de bi na ya man ne dos eyo
say yeah na fi de we na kan
stock no kaka no
anwanu atwe ne ho pii no
sa na tie
o de we replace
tina na wo pese stand by you so Papo is going and I'm not can is going
we did yam nkura we tell him pampa na kombedo na otini am kan
me ba so say
me say so we did yam nkura we tell him pampa na pe
e kombedo e yam paso Ghana for me a sure say Uncle Fred Amugi was shock price ye nyina we a shock price
akase udi gumo no so ha say ni di na be ko na say enko
nti Uncle Fred ye hwe wo stew no awa ye wi o
me wi
why we stew no
maybe
nti akase ye be serve na ya tlase na ye mi no ya to say didi me boa
ehunsuo no entwe
kakra mate ene na adofo de be ye ne say ye twen ama ehunsuo na atwe kakra no that means aduane no are ready ne sa nti no ye be twa enwa basesia McBrown's kitchen aduane ped.
Today I am hosting the family. And as usual, the ones who judge everything you do will also be there. Like Uncle Nee, the school judge.
I think you should put the children in another school, okay?
Auntie Ama, the behavior judge.
You are too lenient with them.
And my sister-in-law, the fashion judge.
Sister, you cannot dress like that, oh.
Though people sometimes feel differently, you must be strong and confident in your decisions. But one thing they'll always agree on is the delicious taste of your cooking. With its rich color and thick paste, Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix is strengthened with fiber and vitamins to provide delicious and nutritious meals for the whole family. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Madam Harrison.
Yes. Oh, I bet some an abro. I bet some do.
Yamishra Moate. Remember, Missy. Oh, my man, sister. Hey, Ghana for. I TV now. Many matter fresh cream and say yo. When I'm trying to junior, I'm boy, I'm going to say. I'm on for a don't for. Say high sense had that for more mother new room. Bora movie. Never Joe dear. Now granny shoot how.
I was here after wedding. Yeah, show high sense TV so. Now you see what our high sense sound system so. Now you don't come our high sense phone so.
High sense Afcon promo.
18th May, I come from 19th July. Me, Madam High Sense, my teachers say who. High Sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Say ye kan yen sabo mu a eno na ekire se ye baako eno na ekire se ye gina ho ye gitum ye kabom ye baako efri se yen sakabo mu a yen akoma enso akabom na se yakoma bobo mu a nyama intumi nyeye tumi ye Awake purified drinking water bottle baku biara a wo betono. Yede sikano bibua National Cardio Center ewo Kolebu. Casa Preco Company Limited insano ejuma pa baku ni. Awake purified drinking water. One for life.
Delay sardine, peche, like that.
McBrown's kitchen. Just so if your mama said then, at the end of pie day. Just me when you make about me okra stew and me rice, me royal feast rice, and more head pan. So I share said the Uncle Fred, a poo with your near, and you know, a bear down, cassa. Uncle Fred, you mean shroud, papa, and the what say be before for a cry. Said already me crew ye near brace nail ne hona. Me can be said there. Na no me de jollof bi ko fie no. Me can me nipa nyina wa ha bem sesi ate say. Sa na me de nkrume akai so. E be ko fie. Because me nim say won need kese. Kakra bi na abete afrim. Waduane na yehwam. Na be ye da nkasa. Uncle Fred me da sepi say wo baaye. Sa na me da wa wo hwe me ase say. Wanya abotire atena ho. Ahwe procedure ni nyina na me nim say obeye bi wo fie dodo. Uncle Fred woni bibi. McBrown's kitchen there. Ye mu ye. Sa na me sponsors so any Jimmy guest ho. Into wo mu say enya de o say metimi tuka no ba ofie na wo kire aduane no a na ye di na ye gya wo ho na ye kokeke debi. O say ye ma ye hu say wo mre ene ne wa betre ye ni so nti de di kan no me na ma me tu me kai yi ba me jade a koba wa sie ba ye me wa chede fe bi de ma Uncle Fred me t-shirt ene me mic me nim say wo petit pa nti no da bia we de emfa ma obia e ma me kwa so mfa
de me benum Tom Brown
Jen
And we so before.
Said the uncle and I make can was him. They say, also by him, Sabina. And Nana Tom Brown, my ground. Uncle Fred, Phantom Tom Brown. I am a monkey. High sense, chopper. High sense.
Sorry, no, my dear.
Chopper. Said the Uchi Chow and crewman. And ya dear, if you necro, bet you chap and crewmabu, and second being chow. Chopper, ye simple. Men on the show, me using a simple. The high sense of me for now I see. So by.
Your question.
Mensu, a bio, baby, dear true. Me no near you. Would the Bomodiana Chun and Fasino, our mammy. Me no near you. Tasty Tom. Tomato mixer, fiber, shemuma. Tasty Tom. Ya were spaghetti chain. Your tasty Tom sizes, meaning a be Uncle Fred, Namisha. When you know, you would the meaning coffee. Meaning na coffee.
Namedekura.
Obedekura. Tell the car by you in Ticano. Mia miss swimming in a cogumama. Medasi, Uncle Fred, and the Diana will be special. Namisha. Miss Fonses, Madame Wase, Mamma me guest and near Japa. Uncle Fred, on crown, no matinina. We shira no more winning o matipa. Sabre ye baby didi. Made off papa. Be me na me crazy. Okra. Say me ba. Me cry okra say me ba na okra. Na papa ye baby didi. Sabre ye be di rice. Any ye okra soup. Pa me pentem wo. Ye. Ye o. Ye okra stew na ntoko esi hu wo set yi so no. Enu so nie. Wow. Beme na mamfa nto ha. Na menyi mis. Uncle Fred na bia so betumi ate wo de. Ana mini kan say ladies first. Yay, wo krachi ampa. Condom. I was up with an India. Uncle Fred.
Casamity.
Oh no, Diane, and I will buy me beside say. A day in Tina, I said there would see a free tit in Sana, what here. Okay, say, eh, Yammy.
Not do Maraqua.
Meaning so a Christian if I know,
sir.
Okay, sorry, beg. And a sinif was your quite sorry, and time position being the crowd, sorry.
Me a chorister, sorry.
But sorry,
me a Presbyterian.
Okay.
Science of penny.
Okay. Uncle Sinintino, Obia him say winning one cry. And a bimu who say, oh, mammy free crap him, and a cropon, and a half so free and cry her. In 2 person, young James a winning one cry near crap him one, who goes school one cry near crap him.
Well, me papa Jumano, no egg housing, almost this year state.
Oh, papa, you do a housing. Okay.
And now I say, transfer. You do call Kekos, Takra Day. Na Kumasi na ekoche pa. Idu Kumasi 1959.
Oh, try Kumasi.
I'm at school. Bantma Presby Primary.
Do you Kumasiano?
And I make a from there to Doom Presby Middle School.
Oh, then I'll go address Papa and Kumasi.
And Sameba Numa Secondary School.
Mamma Mau. Not me, my infant. On say a open kitchen. Until there. So once the high and nature, and Fankata and one. Who school were doom? We are doom boy.
You're doom boy.
School bed doom.
Presby Middle School.
Wow. Now we now all to us over here.
The band was secondary.
Oh, I want a deporto bag. Wow. 92 school now when you saw actor.
Me last year in secondary school, now a mommy who said with me, literature master, any school near play in the year Antigone. No, Susie met me a play role into a mommy role. After that, no, see, Debbie, one more drama group that na me we form 5 no me koto late Kofi Renchi director Kofi Renchi Reverend Lomote Enoch Botwe Alexandra Dua
late
sa group no na me
teacher master said the senior anyway
sanete na me hwe wo mo wo ade
into ko Legon ni bi ko yin one go home school acting no one go home school uni certificate bia ya ba say
training ni nyina me nya fi
ejuma
mo a co school obi ti say Mr. Samuel Ansomenu o chere wade no ehu a na che say wabon
through ma me yem ne bai
ono no lecturer wo School of Performing Arts na Enoch tai
wo bo today
wo mu nyina na che say atete me
nche here by now start first from here by also be kaya
we be starting the stage nti
stage ni here
be 1969
okay yemra yanim meto ye bi sabre wo house ni dudu ben pa na Fred Amugi ye boba why
I'm proud of me kind
Edorson from time I share akra be pem nei no
eno kra na me Edorson
Uncle Fred we a family man the patrol me misa say we no yire no man tia na say single man no yire no man tia e wo fia wow
penino no so on na yire te baby
oh okay now mother do I say
sisi o me no no me ye mensa oba ba ko ne na mami no
okay
na oba ne jan ho
oh
na can 2 weeks no with the 21
ache
10 years in that 11 years
kafra we die you forget me into me nkruma stew ni wan pacho me asema bi sasa Uncle Fred
e kan bra no ho
ene sini adwuma ayeye ansa na ye be kon me pese young ones are yabem me utu me for beginning of my adwuma in career yi e ma me fine ene o ka chiro bi a wontie because I'm rasasa
nana
Mr. if utu be na betu dia ma young people young generation omani abre some person mat
wa ba no uni wo mo kasakra na say okura um twem
nti jaje wo
chire so upe bibia obi ye na onye ni ya e den ha
wo be kan wa wo be nya
cause come to think of it say enemre yi mu na say ye yesini na akwakra na abe wa ho hia yo beja nkwakra ni mrewa no ho ni afra mrantie ne maiwa ne penti wa muti odwene ho a emfa na ne ma bi won so a wo hwe ya mamra anka wo yesini twani a sene ya mamra tie no ese utumi danedi dusini na so ne ye twasini a obitumi wura ahemfie na ne openo akoka kire ohene
na o twamko
woja hoko
na oni we ka se enchin de dua kron se ne de ade obi nim
because obi pese obi sere nti ade ne nye kra sere nti no na fa oko compare se woni nya se peace ni nya sebe so because you hardly find that kind of what when de brofo
nemom me honom fo no ye no wa ofo no neta edane no ede nketwa no emene akase na
akase me kan say amanfo nto mo bo ase bibia wo ye bia no wo de kire amanfo ade nti o ya say o ye ni ye since it is sabi sikana e ba won 70 no wo ye ni biara ena ahobrase adien ko baby me ko baby a ni asala na na mama salai nso me sheline no dia be frame say manageress penis we say ye me frɛ o
ba so oduro na abowura mu anko bi kura be kam fun bi a kyerɛw
ti bebi obekɔ bia no wo de ni obeye bia ye na ho brasim
sanity
na obi hu a ono aboa sense wo de
obe peja wa beti
sa
Uncle Fred nyame nhyira
nso
nyame nhyira pa sɛ wa be kyerɛ aduane foforo ye kra na wa me hu sɛ balance diet so ehu hia nti wo sɛ wonya fruits bi wodidi wi a wo de soso adofo madam nyina ase me pentem na ma wi aduane me pentem na ma wi de gum nya ate foforo gum ye be hia na wo twen sene ba samunim se mintimi nko abra me ndam aboafo ase ai de di kan no madam guest ase wa ya de so wa be trade bi foforo na mada high sense everyday prices for everyday people. High sense, your TV, your home theater, your air condition, your blender, your baby, high sense, your product back on Amcom, your TV in the born fair. Wow, share said your pictures next year. We here be with you. Into high sense, that's Amcom war, nice sense, where the same product. The Mayam show crab. A bio, taste it home. The only tomato mix. Fiber and vitamins. Shemuma. Me ho ayefene ujitumpa se me ho ayefene sa ayampa impact salon ene twa metin a ete yirewi sa na allergina atwimanim sa so bio na diverse trend ahye me atade fefef na se yeba location sa no a before se yeba no aduane o se yedidi ana se ye lunch ne ade no nyonyo gh ene supply aduane o ma aduane e de pa o ye wedding engagement bibia oye bia unya nyonyo ba serve guest ama kama ane bio La Palm Royal Beach Hotel yedam was sama so ya sibi na me nhira mo pa na na McBrown me da wase pa ma ye share na o twe Sunday ko ye pages Instagram, Facebook, your social media platform ko like a photo no chire wadwen de be ye show yi betumpon na ye fani nyina aboa ye no chire ho ye be jo so dodo sa na obetumi a follow me I am Mama McBrown on Instagram and official Nana McBrown e wo Facebook me da me crew ase me da obibia ase na me shira na ye share na o chwe se ne ye gusu aye di ye okro stew and rice ma ye share brim
McBrown's Kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. McBrown's Kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's Kitchen.